right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Treasure Box Mystery Mini number 6. So we'll check the time, April 15th at 6:18 p.m. Going to go over to the Mini and type live. We have April 15th at 6:18 p.m. There is the list of our 13 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Evan. Spot 13 is our winner. So, Evan, you can head over to the main and pick your spot. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 15th, 6:19 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.